Eliminate all the poop in your body and lose 11 lbs in 3 days, with a spoonful of this. Eliminating poop in the body is one of the best ways to detoxify and kickstart an extreme weight loss journey. People poop once or twice a day, but about 20% of citizens in the world struggle to experience regular bowel movement. This translates to a lot more individuals facing difficulty in reducing unsightly belly fat. Experts advise that for a person to begin an effective weight loss program, he should prepare the body by cleansing it. Drinking lots of water and eating fiber-rich foods can regulate bowel movement, yet magically. Chia seeds have recently dominated the fitness world with its magical power to purge poop in the body and help lose weight fast. What are chia seeds? Chia is also known as Salvia hispanica. It is an edible seed naturally grown in Mexico. These seeds contain carbohydrates, antioxidants, protein, omega-3 fatty acids and calcium. These are also added to beverages and foods due to their nutty flavor. How do chia seeds help you in losing weight? Based on previous studies, chia can make you feel bloated and full, thus preventing you from eating more. Aside from this, here are a few more ways on how these nuts aid in achieving a beautiful and well-trimmed body. 1 protein supplement. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 4.7 grams of protein. 2 gluten-free. The seeds are also known to be gluten-free, which makes them a perfect protein source for those who are sensitive to grains or those suffering from celiac disease. 3. 0 cholesterol. Chia doesn't have sufficient vitamin contents to speak of, and yet it is cholesterol-free and is rich in calcium, copper, manganese, zinc, and phosphorus. 4. More antioxidant. Chia seeds contain high levels of antioxidants that help in repairing damaged cells, thus preventing cancer. 5. Packed with dietary fiber. An ounce of chia seeds contains 10 grams of fiber. Eating more fiber means a better chance to avoid fatty foods and lose weight fast. Chia can boost fiber intake and provide 20 to 40 grams of daily fiber requirement. Losing weight is a rewarding journey if done right. Chia seeds added to breakfast is the best way to start your day right. Add chia seeds to muffins, baked goods, puddings, gravy, smoothies, soup, yogurt, and salad dressing to spice up your meals. Eat organic chia seeds every day to help eliminate waste and to transform yourself into a healthier and fitter you. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.